Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Similarweb Chrome extension. This tool helps you check website traffic, ranking, engagement, and competitor data directly from your browser. So let's get started. So firstly, go visit Google Chrome, then open Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Similarweb. Click on the extension and click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Now mark it as pin. Now open any website you want to check their data, like I am opening ChatGPT. Now click on the Similarweb extension, scroll down, both checkbox, click on checked, then click on I accept. Here you will see the website traffic, like visit over time. Here you will see May visits 5.7 billion, April visit, May visits. Here you will also see page per visit, monthly visit, average visit duration, top keywords, and cost per click. You can also change it to volume. AI traffic distribution over time, like Gemini, Cloud AI, or Grok AI. You can also see top prompts, which are the top prompts. And that's it. Also, you can check competitors data with the help of this tool. That's it. This is how you can use the Similarweb Chrome extension to analyze website and track online traffic easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.